Alright y'all, this is what my bagels look like after they were baked. You can see how nice and golden brown they are. This is my first time baking bagels, and I kind of messed up with the shaping for these because this kind of fell apart, so I had to reshape it a little bit. It still holds together like barely, but that's what I get for, well, it's my first time, but that's no excuse. But I like the color. The bottoms are nice and golden as well. And you can hear it. Nice, hollow, crispy, nice color. I didn't flip the sheet trays or the sheets halfway through. I just let it go. Mine took about 11 minutes. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and peace.